ராஷ்டிரிய லோக் உடைய தலைமை நிர்வாகிகள் வந்திருக்கிறாங்க. அவனுடைய முக்கியமாக தேசிய பொதுச் செயலாளர் திரு திலோக்ஜி அவர்கள் இங்கே நம்மிடையே வந்திருக்கிறாங்க. இன்றைக்கு இந்த ஆர்எல்டி என்ற ராஷ்டிரிய லோக் தள் என்ற கட்சி இன்றையிலிருந்து தமிழ்நாட்டில் ஒரு உதயமாகிறது என்பது முக்கியமான செய்தி. அதுக்குண்டான நிர்வாகிகளை தலைவர் அவர்கள் இப்பொழுது அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. Let me welcome the chief, Mr. Tilokji, for the dais now. And shall I ask Mr. Rajaramji to receive our National Secretary as a shall I ask Rajaramji to receive our friend Mr. Sandin Sir Ashish Kumar Sandin Sir.
2 minutes இப்போ வந்து வீடியோ எடுத்து ஓபன் பண்ணி.
Now I am requesting Mr. Jitendra Kumar Sir to address the gathering, sir.
Namaskar, all press media delegates. Welcome to the press meet of Rashtriya Lok Dal for Tamil Nadu state. We are here amongst our national leader and national general secretary organization, Sri Trilok Tyagiji, amongst us, who will be having a brief on today's agenda. I right now give the mic to Honorable Sri Trilok Tyagiji, the National General Secretary of Rashtriya Lok Dal, to announce the press brief.
Today, welcome all friends. Today we announce the State Committee of RLD Tamil Nadu. We announce Raja Raman Govindarajan as a State President of Tamil Nadu RLD.
Wait.
We form RLD in Tamil Nadu. Mr. Rajaraman is our president, and we form a committee within a month with all community, religion, areas, all political leaders. Mr. Rajaraman is announced within a 1 month. Our party stand for villager, farmer, women empowerment के लिए, and we are for unemployment youth, because in Tamil Nadu is very big unemployment. We should like small scale industry. Government should give a loan to youth 20 lakh to 50 lakh minimum interest of rate, and they form a small scale industry like a sabun, matches, kapda, diya salai, juta, copy, book, pen, pencil, they can made by hand. So we are support of small scale industry. We are not America. America is in area is bigger than us in 4 times, and we are in population bigger than America in 5 times. So we can't behave like America. We support small scale industry, and small scale industry give a maximum work for youth, and अगर यूथ रोजगार मिलेगा ये नौजवानों को तो क्राइम कंट्रोल में भी if unemployment is not given by youth, so crime control rate go up. So I request to Chief Minister, he gave the youth for small scale industry 20 lakh to 50 lakh. There is a, in village, there is no road, hospital. This hospital has no doctor, no medicine. There is a very much problem in Tamil Nadu. Farmer is very poor here for paddy, for or so many crops are there. So we would like this government support to farmer. Chaudhary Charan Singh says, if farmer is strong, then India is strong. Chaudhary Charan Singh says, rural India is real India. So I say, if rural is strengthened by the government, then India also a big power in world. It is my submission. So we work for farmer, we work for women empowerment, we work for villager, we work for weaker section, we work for unemployment youth. So R&D stand by these. So I would like our state leader meeting with our all friends and take a time with Chief Minister or raise this question. In these question raised by front of Chief Minister, and I will be demand, already demand, you strengthen village, you strengthen farmer, you strengthen unemployment youth and women also. So, and उनका करना है क्या जब सेक्रेटरी बता रहे हैं हाँ जी है तो नहीं से टाइम तो we Ravi Pillai also and Mr. You gave the press briefing, press note, all.
Sir, whether you will be participating in the elections, sir? In 2000, there's just
yes,
one
yes.
more year is there for elections.
Yes, we participated in a state election, MLA election. Sure.
Any alliance, sir?
We are in NDA. So we discuss with NDA friends and then we fight the election.
So what is the main principle in Tamil Nadu, sir? Your principle, sir. Party principle for Tamil Nadu.
मैंने बताया मॉडल अपन बताया तो for farmers, for villagers, for students.
So in Tamil Nadu, lot of issues are going regarding NDA party something.
No, NDA is in Delhi, but Tamil Nadu, there is a AIDMK, BJP also, we also. So we discuss with among आपस में बातचीत करके we fight the election.
What do you think your party is starting now, the state unit now?
Yes, Chaudhary Charan Singh time there is a unit in Tamil Nadu, and Ajit Singh time there is also unity in Tamil Nadu. But sometime we are our working is slow. So we are going work with first with our friends and we fight the election.
Your party is supported in Delhi, Congress or BJP?
We are in NDA. I am not in India. So we support the NDA, not India. Congress in India with DMK.
So here also not supported.
Huh?
Here also not supported with PMK.
No. No supported. I am in India, in NDA. So NDA form a coalition and fight the election.
सर अभी जो है तमिलनाडु आपने बोला था हेल्थ इश्यू, हेल्थ में तो थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है, डॉक्टर्स नहीं मिल रहा है, ऐसे कुछ बोला था, लेकिन स्टैटिस्टिक्स बोल रहा है ऑल इंडिया लेवल में तमिलनाडु 1 नंबर पे है, उसी तरफ से जा रहा है। तो इधर का डीएमके गवर्नमेंट वही बोल रहा है।
देखिए ऐसा है कि कोई भी सरकार अपने को नंबर 1 ही बताएगी। DMK also say I am number 1. Everyone say number 1. But in village there is a road, but road is broken. There is a hospital, but doctor is not there. Medicine is not there. This is the problem. If village is strong, anyone can't live in Chennai. Population is very high in metro city. If very facilities in every facilities in village, so anyone can't live in metro city.
ऑलरेडी 2 लैंग्वेज